Welcome. In front of me is an Honor 9A, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. And to get started, all you need to do is pull down your notification panel and locate your hotspot, which for me is right over here. Once you find the toggle, you want to hold it the first time around, just so you can change the password, which by default is just some randomly generated garbage. So click on it, remove this one. There we go. And set your own. Now your password does need to have 8 characters in length, at which point you will be able to confirm it. And from here, that's basically all you would need to change. So you can close this. Additionally, you could probably see that there was a, let me get back here, there was a name of the hotspot. So as you can see, it's the name of the device, Honor 9A. So that's what you will be looking for in a Wi-Fi list. And now that the password is changed, you can simply tap on a hotspot toggle to turn it on whenever you need to use it. And that's about it. Once you're done with it, I do recommend you to kind of remember to turn it off. Hotspot does consume a little bit more of your battery life, and if you're not using it, there is really no purpose for it to be running in the background. So simply tap on it again and it will turn off. And additionally, it does use Wi-Fi as a way to broadcast the signal, so when you turn on hotspot, as you can see, it will turn off Wi-Fi. So you always will be using mobile network when hotspot is enabled. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.